crazy ass version of some Tocino, man. Making that motherfucking Tocino into Sinigang, bro. Galing kay Grocer Genie, guys. Order your groceries online. So that's grocergenie.ph, brother. And they're just gonna deliver those groceries, man, at your doorstep for a minimal fee without you going out the house, you being safe, and you cooking all the things you want in the kitchen, boy. So let's start cooking, brother. Let's go. Welcome back to my show. Everything's easy. It's so crazy, man. Shit, let's go. Mga posporo, pre, sa Grocer Genie lang din galing yung mga yan. Boom, there you go. There you go. Kahit posporo, parang meron sila. Some water. Some salt. Some string beans, brother. About 30 seconds, take them off. And in this kangkong leaves, bro. They be done blanching too. Just a few seconds into the water, brother. There you go. Boom. So we about to arrange these blanched vegetables. Arrange them like so, like that. So ito, radish natin, hihiwain natin siya ng sobrang nipis. Sobrang nipis lang, guys. There you go. And this one right here, add this to the sauce from the Toca Tempura show. There you go. Some calamansi. A little bit of this patis, bro. Patis, flavored patis. And a little bit of this tempura sauce from a while ago, bro. Boom. There you go. And the sugar, brother. Sugar is from Grocer Genie too. Bam. Put that in. Mix that well. So let that sauce marinate, cause later on we gonna about it. Need that in our mix, bro. Here. Cut it in the middle right there. Add this here. Slice it in like big ass pieces, bro. Yeah. I'm just gonna slice in the middle. Now here I am using this canola oil right now, boy. Thank you very much, Grocer Genie. Canola oil for the win. Oh, brother. Just a little bit. Put this in, brother. There you go. Look like these motherfuckers be done already. Before the pan gets caramelized, let's take this off the heat already, bro. This is the perfect situation for any Tocino, bro. Let's go. We about to put this on a plate right away so this radishes can cook on the Tocino heat, bro. There you go. Because that radish don't need much of a, cooking anyway.
Damn, that's insane, bruh.
And brother, you about to light that stove one more time. for the grand finale. Glaze this pan with a little bit of water. All that caramel be on the sides. You want to get all that out, bro. That excess oil, everything, brother. Then you want to add your tomatoes, brother. Seep that in the water, brother. There you go. This green chili, brother. You want to mush that green chili, brother. When you see all the bones out in the brown, gonna take them off of and put it on the plate. Mash them tomatoes, brother. You gotta mash them tomatoes in the sauce. Boom. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of water into this cornstarch slurry. So magpapalapot tayo ngayon ng malipit-lipit na sinigang sauce, brother. Cold water lang yan, guys. Pag nilagyan nyo ng hot water yan, nagbubuo-buo. The 6 peso sinigang mix pack, brother. I'm just gonna add in like half of it. There we go, just a little bit. Damn, it's smelling good. Here we go, let's have a taste. A little bit more sinigang mix. Yung asim na mapapapikit ka, ang masarap na sinigang, brother. Lower down the heat out here. Mix that cornstarch slurry for a little bit, then dump it in, bro. Bam. Dump that cornstarch slurry into the mix. Right there. Add in a little bit of this Bueno Sabor mix out here. This is some chili garlic and some oil confit, brother. And into the mix. Just half of that, because this is gonna be very spicy. If you don't have that, don't really mind it. You can use chilies or whatever, brother. It's gonna be okay. Links in the description for some Buen Sabor, brother. Here we go. This is coming along. Pepper, brother. And lastly, I'm gonna add in some liquid seasoning, bro. Some sweet liquid seasoning. There you go. A new discovery indeed. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of this patis flavored taste, brother, just to give it a little bit of that flavor, that saltiness, boom, what we're looking for in this dish. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we talking, brother. I present to you Sinigang na Tocino, brothers and sisters. Bam. There's gonna be surprises underneath. Boom. Add that in there.
Damn, that's insane, bro.
So we're about to add that in here, brother. There we go. So let's try it out. Sinigang na Tocino, brothers and sisters.
Man natin. Mm.
Mm.
Ito.
Some radish. There's like vegetables underneath. Don't forget about that.
Ay, may kangkong nga pala.
The surprise vegetables underneath. There we go. There we go. Seryoso? Sarap talaga? Baka niloloko mo lang kasi may ganyan. Hindi naman.
May ano.
May camera.
I-try mo, dali. I-try mo.
Ayan o. A big spoonful of everything included in this dish, including the rice.
Di ba?
Parang Chinese dish na hindi mo maintindihan.
Pero hindi siya yung totally na manghang.
Hindi naman. Para siyang may pepper na kakaiba. Let's try the dip. Ano dip?
Di ba? Dapat madami yung radish.
Thanks to these guys right here for providing us this good ass ingredient. Grocergenie.ph. You can use the code SOGOOD for 100 pesos off on your first order, bro. So good.